day everyone. My name is Andrew Joseph Esnicormedes from BSIT Tricky. Number one question. How can you define a simple root in Laravel, and what will be a real life example? In Laravel, you can define roots in the roots or web.php file, and a real life example is a company website might have an about page to display the company details. Number 2, how do name roots work in Laravel, and how might you use them in a real world application? Name roots in Laravel work by assigning a specific name to root so that you can use it as a reference later, using that name instead of hard coding the URL. In real world case, you might name a user profile root as profile and then link to it in your Blade template or controllers, using root making it easier to update the URLs in the future. Number 3, what is the purpose of root groups in Laravel? How might they use? The purpose of group roots in Laravel is to organize roots that share common attributes such as middleware, a URL, or namespace. For example, in the admin panel, you can group all roots under the admin prefix and apply authentication middleware so that only login users can access those roots. How does middle work in Laravel, and can you provide a practical example? Middleware in Laravel works by filtering HTTP requests that enter your application, performing checks before passing the request to the controller. A practical example is auth middleware, which ensures the users must be logged in before they can access the dashboard. If they are not, they will be directed into login page. Number 5, how can you handle form submission and CSRF protection in Laravel? Laravel handles form submissions by sending data through roots and controllers, and it automatically protects against CSRF attacks. To enable this protection, every form in Blade templates includes CSRF token, and Laravel validates this token to make sure the request is legitimate.